We're Airtech Environmental. We've been in the industry for about 20 years. We specialize in asbestos and mold testing. We service all of California with offices in San Diego, in Northern California, corporate office in Chino Hills. We've been partnering with PRC for the past 20 years, I believe, 15, 20 years. They're one of the leaders on the restoration industry. PRC has a great customer service, quick response. They have all the equipment, all the manpower that is required to be able to respond to water damage from any small scale jobs to big scale jobs, right? Why do we have to test for asbestos? Prior to any renovation or demolition, federal and state regulations require for contractors to test for asbestos and lead testing. This is more for the safety of your property owners, the occupants, or the tenants, right? PRC is one of the companies that follows all the regulations as far as the safety, health and safety of their employees and all their clients, right? So we're here, they hired us to do the asbestos and lead testing. PRC has been trusting us with all their environmental testing for the past 15 years. We have a good partnership together in order to be able to provide a good quality service to their clients. We partner with PRC because they're one of the leaders in the restoration industry. They specialize on fire, mold, water damage. They focus on the residential to commercial jobs, anything from small jobs to large scale jobs. They have the manpower, the equipment to be able to respond on a fast, timely manner, the 24 hours. Great customer service, great. I've seen that the work is very professional as far as the setup, the quality of work. The mold remediation is one of the ones the best that I've seen out there. We're very happy to sponsor this great event with PRC. We've been sponsoring the past 2, 3, 4 years, and it is always a great event. Kind of give back to our clients, right? To show our appreciation, right? And to have a good time. So come on over and join us for PRC's 2025 golf tournament. It's going to be a great event.